Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, July 28th, and this is my PM recap for gold, and I'm on the 1 hour time frame. So gold did end up pushing down, like I was saying this morning. Even if it does go up, it probably would just be a cut into this last wave. Most wave A's or wave ones, which I think this is, do take out the previous structure of the previous move, which is right here. So definitely worked out really nicely. Now, we could possibly start a much bigger pullback, something like this for like a wave B or a wave two. But we don't have to start something like that. We have no proof that it is starting. This is clearly a downtrend. When we get the end of a trend, like a breaker structure to the upside, then yes, we could start looking for logs. But until we get an end of a trend signal, which we definitely don't have yet, we have no way of knowing whether this is just going to keep on going down. So I would be looking for sorts at least until I see preferably a break of structure up or possibly like a significant higher low telling me that at least this wave down is complete and maybe we really are starting a bigger crescent like a wave B or a wave 2 which possibly could be a crescent to the whole move down. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.